Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Here on my channel I share about my experience as someone who is recently gotten into luxury fashion, as well as trying to give you honest opinions of other items that I have purchased that I consider as good value. So if you like this type of content, please consider subscribing. So yes, today I have another purchase from Farfetch, which is my favorite online shop, just because it allows me to shop a variety of international different brands all in one place. I am not at all affiliated with Farfetch. I am just a loyal customer since I began this luxury journey. Now I have a piece from Paul Smith. It is a top knit item that is in merino wool. Now this is something that I purchased for the purpose of wearing as a homeware, because the winter is quite cold here. Well, for me, I'm not very good with cold temperatures, and I don't want to be turning up the heaters all the time, so I decided to invest in a better quality merino jumper. Now as you can see, the top is just quite simple. It's long sleeve in brown color with stripes on the bottom hem, as well as the sleeve cuffs, which I think is quite characteristics of the brand Paul Smith. I've never purchased from this brand before. The price is, I thought, quite reasonable for the material of 100% merino wool. And if you've looked at my videos before in regards to clothing items, you will probably have worked out that I would only purchase things that can be hand washed, and this item can be hand washed, and I have to say it feels quite comfortable. It's quite soft, and the sleeve length is good for me. My arms are a little bit longer than average, but this top, the sleeve length is just right for me. So that's it from me today. If you have enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you very much for watching. Bye.